By 2017, I realized that we needed a little bit more control, and I ended up buying the intellectual property of the manufacturing process from one of the original NASA design scientists, one of the scientists who designed the first machines with NASA. My husband and I brought that back, and we bought it from the scientist in Idaho, brought it back to Louisville, Kentucky, and kind of started building the machines from there ourselves. And I very quickly realized I needed a engineer, and we really started looking at how is this made and how can we make it better.
Who did you end up going to? What engineer did you end up utilizing, or did you have to use more than one?
Oh, so I ended up going to Occam, OCCAM. They are a local engineering firm. They came in because at the time I needed more than one and I didn't have the money to get more than one. So I went to them and I said, help, and so they helped me design the first round of the equine machines that we were manufacturing. So they helped us design them, and then we built all of the machines ourselves internally. And then I ended up hiring my own engineer straight out of college here at the University of Louisville. The first year after he graduated, he's still with me. His name's Cameron Onan. And he really came in and oversaw the manufacturing internally, making sure like any troubleshooting, things like that. But I really wanted to get into the human space. So we decided to design like our own digital device kind of with Occam and with ourselves, our internal engineering team. And we started really taking the features that I wanted it to have and what I wanted it to do, and they started putting it together and coming up with first sketches. We actually went to a like a car manufacturing place and shaped the case and everything out of metal to kind of get the first round of what it would look like and feel like for the human device. And then I brought in outsourced regulatory and brought in a regulatory team to help me start the process of taking our designs into the regulatory space with the FDA.